In the year 2154, humanity stood at the threshold of a revolution. The harmonic vitality chamber, a groundbreaking innovation, was about to change the face of medicine and human potential forever. Dr. Rachel Kim, a brilliant and maverick scientist, had dedicated her life to creating the HVC. Her vision was to harness the power of light, sound, and quantum energy to transform human health and capabilities. The first patient, a young woman named Maya, lay nervously inside the chamber. Diagnosed with a debilitating chronic illness, she had exhausted all conventional treatments. As the HVC sprang to life, a symphony of light and sound enveloped Maya, resonating deep within her cells. The machine's advanced nanobots, activated by the precise light-sound combinations, began to repair damaged tissue and eradicate pathogens. Maya's eyes fluttered closed, and a serene smile spread across her face. She felt an intense sense of relaxation, as if her very essence was being harmonized with the universe. The treatment lasted mere minutes, yet its impact would be profound and lasting. As Maya emerged from the chamber, her eyes sparkled with renewed vitality. The pain and fatigue that had plagued her for years were gone, replaced by an unshakable sense of hope and wonder. Dr. Kim's invention would soon ignite a global phenomenon, attracting attention from medical professionals, entrepreneurs, and individuals seeking to unlock their full potential. But as the HVC's influence grew, so did concerns about its ethical implications. Who would control access to this revolutionary technology? Would it be used to heal or to manipulate? The harmonic vitality chamber had opened Pandora's box, releasing a torrent of possibilities that would change humanity's trajectory forever.